here. Get over here. What do you mean? Oh, hi, baby. Hi. How are you, sweetheart? You have every right to be afraid of me. Yes, you do. Where are you going? What's she doing? Hi, cutie. You're cute. Adorable. Oh, wow. Where are you going? Huh? You're getting awful close to me. My goodness, what are you doing here? I could almost reach out and touch you. Where are you going? Oh my God, that thing is cute. Right, there it is. Baby. Hey. Well, I'm at Tillicum Beach and I didn't see any whales. I've been here a while. I did take a beach walk though. I did. What? What am I gonna do with all these rocks? Must you ask questions? So anyway, this one I got. Oh, wow. I mean, look how pretty they are. I gotta get them wet again so you can see. But they're like the most beautiful. Hey. And then there's this big piece of jade. Yeah. Oh, I still got a friend on it. I better go back and put that back. I don't want a friend. Is the beach still there? Good morning, Earthlings. Well, I put my camera up here so you could see how cute the chipmunk was. But I want to do this film, so while you're waiting for the chipmunk, because he's over there goofing around, I'm going to show you how to make a ginger rock garden. Look, my hair's a mess. That's what I said. I'm going to show you how to make a gypsy ginger rock garden right now in the fabulous Traveling Art Studio. But wait, there's more. Okay, I'm waiting for the chipmunk to come so you could see it. But I'm also planting ginger. I just got this ginger. It's organic ginger. And this is the compost. I'm going to put it in there. Put dirt on it. Hard stuff, right? Then I'm going to put rocks on it and make it into a ginger rock garden. Wait for the chipmunk. He's really cute. Did he come already? No? Okay, so what I did was I put the ginger in there and then I put my rocks from my rock hunt there. That is an agate. A huge agate in my garden. So now you can be looking at my rocks. You won't even realize what's going on is that my garden is growing. It just looks like a rock garden. You can make that. Until later, I'm going to work. I gotta go find whales, and I got more to plant. I hope you find your yacht. I hope you see the chipmunk. He's really cute. Yep. We'll put this down. That's neat. Oh, that's pretty. It just looks like a rock garden. Good morning, Earthlings. I'm gardening today. Doesn't it look like I'm gardening? I am. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a gypsy garden. There you go. What do you think?